Welcome to The Right Slant, where we empower you with factual insights into the laws that shape our freedoms. Today, we're diving into Utah's gun laws, a topic crucial for any new resident looking to understand their Second Amendment rights in the Beehive State. Utah is renowned for its permissive gun laws, a testament to its strong Second Amendment culture, making it a welcoming state for firearm owners. Recent legislative changes, including the introduction of permitless carry, have further solidified these freedoms, easing restrictions for law-abiding citizens. Understanding these regulations, especially regarding concealed carry, duty to inform, suppressors, and magazine capacity, is vital for new Utahns. Let's start with concealed carry. As of May 5th, 2021, Utah allows individuals 21 and older to carry a concealed firearm without a permit. This is widely known as constitutional carry, reflecting the state's commitment to individual rights. While a permit is no longer mandatory for concealed carry, the state continues to offer the Utah Concealed Firearm Permit, or CFP. A CFP can be highly beneficial for reciprocity, enabling Utah residents to carry in other states that recognize the permit. For those between 18 and 20 years of age, a provisional permit is available, though it comes with certain restrictions, such as prohibiting carry on K-12 school campuses. To obtain a concealed carry permit, applicants typically need to complete a firearms familiarity course certified by the Bureau of Criminal Identification, or BCI. The BCI will issue a permit within 60 days to qualified applicants 21 years of age or older. Next, let's discuss the duty to inform. Utah law does not require individuals to inform law enforcement officers that they are carrying a firearm. However, it is generally recommended to do so to avoid misunderstandings and ensure the safety of all parties involved. If an officer specifically asks about firearm possession, individuals are legally required to answer honestly. Moving on to suppressors. These are legal to own and use in Utah for hunting, target shooting, and self-defense. To legally acquire a suppressor, individuals must comply with federal regulations, including the National Firearms Act, and obtain necessary permits and tax stamps from the ATF. There are no Utah-specific licenses or registration requirements beyond these federal laws. Now, let's talk about magazine capacity. Utah does not impose any magazine capacity restrictions for handguns or other firearms. This means that individuals can legally possess magazines of any capacity, offering greater flexibility for self-defense and sport. Beyond these core areas, there are several additional considerations for new residents. Utah's permitless carry extends to individuals 21 and over, allowing them to carry a loaded firearm, openly or concealed, without a permit. Regarding vehicle carry, it is legal to carry a loaded handgun in a vehicle without a permit if the vehicle is in the person's lawful possession or with consent. However, rifles, shotguns, and muzzle-loading rifles must be unloaded unless the person has a valid concealed firearm permit. The Utah Constitution proudly guarantees the right of the people to keep and bear arms for the defense of self, family, others, property, or the state. While broad, there are restrictions. Certain locations are off-limits for firearms, including courthouses and secure areas of airports. A person with a concealed carry permit may not knowingly transport a firearm into a house of worship or private residence where firearms are prohibited. Utah is also a stand your ground state, meaning there is no duty to retreat if a person feels deadly force is justified to prevent a felony. For purchasing firearms, no state permit is required to buy a rifle, shotgun, or handgun. However, a criminal history background check is needed for all firearm sales conducted by licensed dealers. It is crucial to remember that while Utah's gun laws are generally permissive, individuals must always adhere to all federal laws and regulations. We hope this overview from The Right Slant has provided you with valuable insights into Utah's gun laws. Stay informed, stay safe, and exercise your rights responsibly. If you found this information helpful, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive.